how you can fix your Meta AI option if it's not showing. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app. And once you open it, you can see there is three lines at the top left corner of this section or homepage. So just tap on the three lines button, and once you tap on it, if you can see there is settings option at the top left corner of this section. So just tap on that settings icon, and finally, if you can see, then there is data and privacy options on in the screen. So just select the data and privacy, and finally you need to select the manager information, which is at the very first. So once you tap on it, finally you can see there is two options available over here. First one is remove all your public vibes, and another one is delete all chats and media. So what you can do is you can simply tap on both and complete all the formalities, and once you remove all the things, you will be able to fix your Meta AI options successfully. And by chance if it doesn't work, then what you can do is simply reinstall it, and yeah, you will be able to fix your Meta AI options, which will be reflecting in your app successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to fix your Meta AI option not showing. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.